main body actions in Latin American dancing. So number one body action would be weight transferring. So let's put our legs shoulder length and focus on the spine. Imagine the red line going through your body in the middle here. And now let's transfer your weight to the right leg. Let's transfer your weight to the middle. Transfer your weight to the left leg. So this is called transferring. So right now we are transferring body weight, meaning we're moving our spine. So this is transferring, action number one. So how transferring will look in this position when you forward and back? Exactly the same thing. Have a beautiful posture and imagine now your spine, which is inside you, now in the middle, red line here. Now move that red line over the front leg, move that red line in between feet, and move that red line, your spine, to the back foot. And now just drive your spine forward and back. So this is number one body action. It's called transferring. Or sometimes you hear people say, move your body weight. So that's number one. Number two action is called pendulum. Pendulum action. So it's your hip moving like a clock. Hip moving like a clock.